Okay, day 2. Lakad kami ngayon dito sa island kasama mga kasama sa trip na ito. Hi. Hi, Zai. Yung tubig. Ito ang aming mga bad boys. Yung isa mahilig magpakita ng puwet. Yeah, let's show some ass. Yeah, ooh. Look who's that. Ah, I can show you. That's Dandy. Good.
Sunburn.
Si Dan, the badly burned one.
Wait, ito. Sunburn man! Sunlight!
Yeah. And we have the usual. Roy, could you do what you did the last time we were here? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so, lakad tayo doon tayo. Saan ba tayo? Jezabel? Sige, go. Kaya sundan muna tayo. Same thing as last year, go. Gago, last year parang ganun eh. Huh? We're walking. Yeah. Gumalong ka last year, gago, gumalong ka. Doon tayo. Yeah, they're going at Manuel Quezon. Roy, remember what I did here, man?
Oh.
Naibig yung ulo ko dyan.
Gusto kayong posing na parang umiibig.
Ayun si Dan. Oh. Dan, how do you find your stay in Alomino?
Hot.
Hot? Hindi painful.
Painful din.
Ikaw, Dandy, how's your stay so far?
Mainit.
Show. Yeah, show with only his smile and his big, whatever that is. Let's go. Go. We walk. Lakad kami nila, Zai. Ayan sila, the expectant faces of people. Go, Roy. What the hell are you doing, man? Just walk already.
Pero may ability ka wind.
Ako.
Wala ka mahangin, masarap eh.
Meron tayo group vid. Actually, maiinit na ang feeling ng mga tao dito sa amin. But, so far, everyone seems to be enjoying it except Zan, who's burned.
Barbecued na,
Barbecued, yeah. So, let's go back to them. Si Shoy, lalakad dito.
Masakit na shoulder ko eh, pero okay lang.
Okay, we're going. Yes, nadulas pa ako.
Kaya sa tao eh.
Yan, pupunta kami ngayon kay Jezabel. We're going around the island. Ano ito? Kasi medyo malakas-lakas ang hangin. Yeah, go. We're going down. Ayun, si Jezabel, nagawa din kasi yung buhok sira pa rin. Ayun yung giant clams dito eh. Yun yung giant clams area.
O nga no, that's the area na...
Go down.
Wait,
Okay. Go down. Eh, helipad sa taas. Under the sea. Whee! Kag.
O nga, nasirain mo.
Yeah, ito namin si Jezabel ngayon with her friend. Yeah, there goes Dan. And Shaw following. We're walking up. And ayun si Roy asking for
Shade!
helipad. Ito na kami sa helipad ngayon. Look at the place. Yeah. Yes, yan na, the area namin. Helipad area. That big H over there. So, sama ko ngayon sila. Si Baby Zai. Tama na, Baby Zai. Hello. Hi, baby. Kiss mo. Mwah. Yan. At ito yung tatlong bugoy. One wearing white, Another showing his ass. And another girl there who has great tan lines. Woo!
I wonder what will happen if Harky comes here.
We'll be back. Hintay lang kayo ng konti. Picture lang kami.